Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Richard and we're on the Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 2025 factory from the Potteries, Motorcycles and Scooters Centre at Burslem, Staffordshire. We're going to look at things a bit different on this machine today. We're just going for a casual ride. Go around some swooping bends. There's one of the comments were made in the previous video. You can check that out in the channel. Let's turn this machine on. Absolutely beautiful. Here we go. This is Eccleshall, and we're going to take the road to Stone and then take a left. And then come round in a circle. So it's a casual ride. The point of this one is, the point of this video, say hello, say thank you. Let's put the visor down. The point of this video is, you don't have to be a top-notch rider to ride this machine. I am far from a racing rider, far from it, and I'm enjoying the ride on this bike. Admittedly, it's got plenty of power. There's no doubt about that. No doubt about that at all. But your right hand, this hand here, controls everything of how much fuel you squirt into this engine that kicks out some 180 horsepower. And at its lower RPM, it really is quite docile. And this is the point of this video. So if you're considering something like this, at £18,000, give them away. And you're not sure if you can handle the power, well, actually, when required, the Tuono 1100 is very docile and nice and relaxing. I see so many in the previous video. I was mentioning Lamborghinis and things like that, and the cost of a Lamborghini, and the power to weight ratio per metric ton. That this particular bike had more power than a Lamborghini Aventador. Now when we see Lamborghinis and Ferraris on the street, we tend to look around, and I may be wrong on this, but I'm fairly sure I'm right, that most of those drivers of such extreme machinery are not necessarily race capable. If you put them on a track, I'm sure they wouldn't be able to drive that vehicle around in a time on a circuit that was classed as good. Yes? And there are many people that will be buying the Tuono that are track capable and would return a great circuit time. But there are lots and lots of people that are not, and I'm one of the nots. I'm just a normal guy riding around on a Tuono 1100. And one could say, well, you're not taking advantage of the power. Well, actually, I don't have to take advantage of the power because that's my choice. Yeah? And it's the difference between being seen on the road with a Lamborghini and being seen on the road with a I don't know, a sports car that's a BMW or a sports car that's an Audi. There is a complete difference, and this bike is certainly within the upper echelons when it comes to what's on the street and what's riding around. I'm going to take a left here. Let's put the indicator on. No one behind me. The brakes are great on this. Let's just wait for this car. So I'm just taking a casual ride. A casual ride which you can do. You don't need to use 180 horsepower. You can just take your time and have a lot of fun. What's your thoughts? Does the number of 180 horsepower put you off? I don't know, you tell me. Having ridden this a few times now, I would think, you know, had I been in the league of ready to spend £18,000, I would certainly consider this machine. I really would. It's a great all-day bike. The engine, the new 1099cc engine, has been remapped so it's a lot more stronger at the bottom end of the rev range, so it's easier to ride. It just is easier to ride. She's a lovely machine. She's very, very docile if you want her to be docile. There's no problems at all. In fact, she's lovely. She really is lovely. Absolutely wonderful. Let's take a left here. So I just thought I'd introduce the Tuono as a normal, capable bike. There are 3 modes on it. There is the sport mode, there is the user-defined mode, and there is the touring mode. I'm currently sat in touring mode. And she's lovely. Absolutely wonderful. Now, Potteries Motorcycles and Scooters at Burslem, Staffordshire are now the area's leading Aprilia dealer and service centre. So get down and come and have a look at what's in stock and what you fancy for 2025. You can have this Tuono 1100 V4 for £18,000 plus on the road costs. Come and speak to the guys. They do hire purchase and all other finance agreements, and they can satisfy your needs. This is a wonderful bike to just tootle around, go to the shops on, take your partner on the bike, of which I will be doing in another video, and just chilling out. Yeah, just chilling out. There's no need to go flying at 140 miles an hour. There's no need to do that at all. What do you think? You tell me in the comments. This is a beautiful bike, and it's so docile. It really is docile. It's lovely. Absolutely wonderful. And the blipper and the quick shift is absolutely superb. Super, super quick. I'm going up and down the gearbox right now, and you can't feel it. You just can't feel it. It's absolutely superb. Absolutely wonderful. Use it for commuting to work. I don't know. She's such a placid ride when you need it to be. Like I say, I'm no racing rider. I can ride fast, but nowhere near as fast as some of the other people. Nowhere near. There we are. There's the blipper down into second. Pull the clutch in for first. Let's wait here. Oh! Yeah? Oops. I don't need to use the clutch. There we are. Go and treat yourself. Get in touch with the guys at the Pottery Centre, and they will sort you out. They will sort you out and help you through your journey of motorcycling. Hope you enjoyed this ride. A little ride as I come back into Eckershaw. Let's go around here. Balance on it's absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So easy to ride. Absolutely beautiful. Super easy to ride. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick easy rider review, and put your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like the video if it meant something to you. Whilst I continue my ride on this beautiful motorcycle, the Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory, £18,000. When you want it to be docile, no problems. It's a nice easy ride. She's absolutely wonderful. Okay, I'll bring it to a close. I'll see you very soon. Ride safely, be kind to everyone, and eat healthily. Okay? I'll see you soon. Bye bye.